then what happens is the card starts to sort of fuse together. Come on, check it out.
A playing card puzzle instantly fuses together to create an impossible piece of magical art. This is Puzzle. You present an innocent-looking puzzle to your friends, and you quickly solve it. Then, you remove a piece and rearrange the others. But strangely, the puzzle remains the same size, even with a piece missing. Then, something crazy happens. When you lay the missing piece on top of the puzzle, all of the mismatched pieces instantly fuse in place. What remains is a piece of impossible card art that can be examined and given away.
I know, and I'm feeling to see if it's all together. It's all together. It's
all there.
Cards, one card.
Puzzled is a unique and powerful piece of card magic that you are going to love performing.
I'm very confused, James.
The secret lies in the special props that you will receive. And that's what I love about Puzzled. It's completely contained inside this envelope. That means I don't need any special gimmicks inside my deck before the trick starts, and I'm completely clean after. You'll also get an instructional video featuring Roddy McGhie, loaded with live performances and in-depth teaching. This is Puzzled by Roddy McGhie.